SCP-1108 Object Class Euclid Special Containment Procedures. The first recorded appearance of this phenomenon is dated unknown, filed in Foundation records as an extranormal event. However, at least 10 repeat occurrences have since been verified, precipitating numbers, status, and close observation. Data recorded by surveyed meteorological centers will be transmitted to Research Sector 9 and should be consistently monitored for similarities to past data. Early signs of recurrence of SCP-1108 must be promptly identified. Description: SCP-1108 is a meteorological phenomenon which has only been observed along the southeast coast of the United States, recurring most frequently along the east coast of Florida. Most observers at ground level experience SCP-1108 as a heavy fog with no evident anomalous properties. However, from an evaluation above or approaching 450 meters, the formation reveals a distinct shape. Based on the aerial photographs and the surrounding ecosystem, the shape is best described as a resembling alligator of the Americas. In ideal conditions, the anomaly appears in enough detail for eyelids, teeth, and individual scutes to be clearly identified. Aerial and even peripheral observation indicates that the vaporous mass even moves its limbs, albeit slowly, mimicking the reptile's distinctive gait. SCP-1108 most frequently appears a few hours before dawn, often emerging from an existing cloud bank at a dew point and temperature consistent with fog formation. This gator formation will maintain its distinct size and shape for upwards of 6 hours. During this 6-hour period, SCP-1108 traverses an area of approximately 50 kilometers length, always towards the bordering Atlantic. The form appears to gradually dissipate into the atmosphere. The effects on the local ecosystem do not become apparent until after the formation's departure. These apparent influences have also, so far, included an irregular rise in freshwater levels and an abnormal displacement of local wildlife, specifically in areas directly overshadowed by SCP-1108's passage. Adult alligator have been found congregating in the dozens. The infestations occur far from the areas highly populated by the native reptile, which appear in greatest numbers on private property and suburban developments, favoring swimming pools. The lack of data from prior occurrences makes it difficult to predict whether the size, range, and extent of the phenomenon's influence have remained stable or increased over time. Addendum: as of June 21st, unknown year, SCP-1108 has made 2 consecutive appearances. Only the second was accompanied by an influx of alligator. However, the rise in water levels mandated flood evacuation in 2 counties. The extent of possible infestation of alligator in flooded areas cannot be determined at this time. Addendum: July 9th, unknown year. During the most recent occurrence, field researchers reported a previously unrecorded phenomenon described as a series of low, drawn-out grumbles, which were sustained over several hours. Radiometric measurements taken during the course of these observations do not indicate temperature changes conducive to creating lightning. However, the subsequent recordings do bear a striking resemblance to the male alligator's bellow.